about applications of derivative. So today also we have to solve some more problem that is related to rate measurement, right? So here question number 1, a balloon, right? A balloon which always remains spherical as a variable diameter 3/2 into 2x plus 1, right? Find the rate of change. Find the rate of change of its value. Find the rate of change of its value with respect to x. Right? So this is the problem. So before solving this problem, first you should read the question carefully. Again, this is the problem related to sphere. So clearly they have mentioned that this problem is related to sphere, right? So here a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter. So suppose here it is a sphere, right? So sphere that is having radius is r, right? So you know that diameter. So diameter is equal to how much? 2 times the radius. So clearly here what they have given, the diameter of the sphere is 3 divided by 2 into 2x plus 1. So clearly what they have given, so that is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 2x plus 1. So clearly here I have taken d is equal to 2r. So d is equal to 2r means diameter of a sphere or diameter of a circle is always equal to 2 times its radius. So here I will write 2r is equal to how much? 3 divided by 2 into 2x plus 1. Suppose if you want to find the value of r, so just you have to take this into this side, so then this becomes 3 divided by 4 into 2x plus 1. So clearly it gives radius of a sphere, right? So find the rate of change of its value. So clearly here you should find dv upon dx. So because what they have is find the rate of change of its value with respect to x. So with respect to x means this is equal to question mark, right? So we know that what is the value of the sphere? Value of the sphere is equal to 4 divided by 3 by r cube. So this is the value of the sphere. Now you have to differentiate this one. So clearly differentiate with respect to what? With respect to x. So what you are getting here? Or before differentiating this one, here you should substitute the value of r. So what is the value of r here? V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into, what is the value of r? So what is the value of r is? R is 3 divided by 4 into 2x plus 1. Is it right? 2x plus 1 whole cube, because r is equal to, so r is equal to 3 divided by 4, 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now I will simplify this one. V is equal to 4 divided by 3 into pi. So here it is. So clearly it is 3 divided by 4 whole cube into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Is it right? So here 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. We will write 3 divided by 4 whole cube into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Right? So again I will simplify this one. So again here it is a 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube is nothing but 27. So 27 divided by how much? So clearly it is a 64 into what? So into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Before differentiating this, first we should simplify all value. So value is equal to how much here? So here I will cancel the terms. Here it is a 3 ones are. Here it is a 3 nines. Right? So again here it is a 4 ones are. Here it is a 4 ones are. And so here it is a what? 4 ones are. So clearly it is a 9 divided by 16. So clearly value is equal to how much here? Here you are reading 9 divided by 16 into here it is a 5. So that is 5 into what? So that is equal to 2x plus 1. Right? So actually this is the value of a speed. Now we have to differentiate this one. So differentiate with respect to. So clearly here we should find the rate of change of its value with respect to x. So that is equal to differentiate this function with respect to x. So clearly here you are writing dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to this term is a constant. It is 9 divided by 16 into y. Right? So differentiate of this one. So just you should imagine. So this is the value of x. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Again instead of x here it is a 2x plus 1. So here clearly what you are getting 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Again a differentiate. Again a differentiation of 2x plus 1. So clearly what you are getting dv by dx as it is. So dv by dx is equal to 9 upon 16 pi into here it is a 3. 3 into what? 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of 1 is a 0. So clearly here it is a 2 plus 0, or here we should simplify this one. dv by dx is equal to 9 divided by 16 pi into here it is 3. Here it is 2x plus 1 whole square into what? 2 plus 0 is 2. Right? So now we have to cancel that term. Here it is 2 ones are 2x. So clearly what you are getting dv by dx. Right? So dv by dx is equal to, here it is divided by 9 into 3 means here it is a 27. So here it is a 27 divided by 8 pi into what? So into here it is a 2x plus 1 whole square. So clearly what it is? So it is rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to x when the diameter of the sphere is given by d is equal to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Is it right? Next, I have to solve one more problem. Right? Particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing. Y coordinate is changing 8 times as the x coordinate. Right? So this is the question. Now you have to read the question carefully before solving this one. So clearly what they have given, first you should array. A particle moves along the curve. Along the curve, that is equal to 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Suppose just you should imagine, so here it is a particle. This particle is moving along this curve, right? So along this curve, the function of this curve what they have given, so 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Suppose here it is a particle P. So this particle is moving along this curve. This curve is represented by the equation 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. So now we have to find, or what we have to find here, find the point. Point is nothing but, point is always, it is nothing but, it is in the form of x comma y. Find the point, it means that you have to find the coordinate of point P, that is in the form of x comma y. It means that find the coordinate means here you should find the value of x and you should find the value of y by using the condition. Which condition they have given? The y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as 8 times as, sorry, here it is, as fast as x coordinate. Suppose you know that x coordinate is x and y coordinate is y. So what they have given? X coordinate. So here I will write x coordinate is changing. That is equal to 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So actually this is the given condition. Y coordinate is changing, that is equal to 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So the y coordinate is, suppose the particle is moving along this curve, then there is a change in the position of the particle with respect to its time. So clearly y coordinate is changing with respect to time, hence it becomes dy by dt. So dy by dt is equal to how much? So that is equal to 8 into dx by dt. So actually they have given this condition. That condition is dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. By using this one, we have to find the value of P. So P, the coordinate of point P is in terms of x and y. It means that here we should find the value of x and we should find the value of y, because they only mentioned that find the points on this curve. Find the points on this curve means here we should find the coordinate of P, that is in terms of x and y. So before finding that one, so clearly what they have given? They have given the curve. So which curve they have given? 6y is equal to x cube plus 2 they have given. Now we have to differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to t, because the change in the position of the particle with respect to time. So now we have to differentiate this function with respect to t. Here 6 is a constant. Differentiation of y with respect to t is nothing but, here it is a dy by dt. Is it right? Differentiation of x cube is 3x square into what? Into differentiation of x with respect to t means clearly here it is a dx by dt. Is it right? Now we have to cancel the term. Here it is a 3 ones are, here it is a 3 twos are. So clearly what you are getting? 2 times dy by dt is equal to how much? X square into dx by dt. Is it right? So clearly all this as equation number 1. So in equation number 1, what is the value of dy by dt? Dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. Now I will substitute the value of dy by dt in this equation, right? So 2 times is the value of dy by dt. So dy by dt is equal to here 8 into, right? 8 into dx by dt, right? So dx by dt is equal to how much? X square into dx by dt, right? So here we have used equation number 1, right? So clearly this dx by dt and this dx by dt will get cancelled. 2 into 8 means here it is a 16. 16 is equal to how much? X square, or x square is equal to 16, or what is the value of x? X is equal to plus or minus of 4. So clearly here you are getting the the value of x is equal to plus or minus 4. Now we have to find the coordinate of point P. First we should substitute the value of x equal to 4. Later we have to substitute the value of x equal to minus 4 to get the point P of x comma 1. So clearly, what is the value of x here? X is equal to plus or minus 4. To get the value of y, I have to substitute this value in this equation. So therefore, that is here I am writing when x is equal to 4. So clearly here it is a 6y. 6y is equal to what? 6 cube plus 2. Right? I will substitute the value of x equal to 4. So clearly 6y is equal to, here it is a 4 cube plus 2. Right? 6y is equal to 4 cube means 64. 64 plus 2. Right? 6y is equal to how much? 66. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 66 upon 6. So clearly the value of y is equal to 11. Right? So therefore, what is the coordinate of point P? The coordinate of point P is in terms of x comma y. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 4. What is the value of y? The value of y is equal to 11. Right? Now, again we have to substitute the value of x equal to minus 4. So here I will write when x is equal to minus 4. So this is the curve. 6y is equal to how much? X cube plus 2. Is it right? Now I have to substitute the value of x equal to minus 4. So clearly you are getting 6y is equal to minus 4 whole cube plus 2 or 6y. 6y is equal to how much? Here it is minus 64 plus 2 or 6y is equal to how much? Minus 62. Right? Or y is equal to how much? Y is equal to minus 62 divided by 6. So clearly here you have to cancel the term. Here it is 2 3s are 6 and here it is 2 3s are 9. It is 1. So clearly what is the value of y? Here it is minus 31 by, right? So when the value of x equal to minus 4, then the value of y is equal to how much? Minus 31 divided by 3. So another point, that is p of x comma y is equal to minus 4 comma minus 31 divided by 3. So clearly this is the point. Either the coordinate of point P is 4 comma 11 or the coordinate of P is minus 4 comma minus 31 divided by 3. It means that, so according to this condition, y coordinate is changing, that is equal to 8 times as fast as x coordinate. By using this condition, we are getting the coordinate of the point on this curve, that may be the coordinate of point P, that may be 4 comma 11 or the coordinate of point P is minus 4 comma minus 31 divided by 3. Is it right? Next, we have to solve one more problem. Right? Third question. A man of height, man of height 2 meters, walks at a uniform speed of 5 kilometer per hour away from a lamp post, which is right 6 meter, which is a 6 meter high. find the rate of find the rate at which the length of its shadow increases. This is the question. Right? So again here, before solving this one, first you should read the question carefully. Right? So a man of height 2 meter walks at a uniform speed of 5 kilometer per hour away from the lamp post. So clearly, just you should imagine. So here it is a lamp post. Here I will write a lamp post. Right? So this is the height of the lamp post. So here it is a light. Right? So a man is walking away from this lamp post. So here it is the length of the lamp post, and here it is a ground. So the length of the lamp post is 6 meters. Right? Suppose here it is a man. This is a man. Right? So the height of this man is, what they given? The height of the man is 2 meters. Right? So clearly here it is a 2 meters. Right? So this man is moving away from this lamp. Right? So away from this lamp post. When here is a man. Suppose the light on the man. Sorry, so here it is a man. Right? He is moving away from the lamp post. So if he is moving away from the lamp post, the shadow is that shows on the ground here. So this is the shadow, right? Shadow of the man. So right. So here I will write this as A, this as B, and here it is a C and B. So I will join like this. So clearly here we are getting the two triangles. So clearly before that I will write AB. What is the value of AB here? AB is equal to height of lamp post. Right? Lamp post. Or here I will write length of a lamp post. And what about CD? Right? So CD. So what is the value of CD? So this is the height of a man. Right? So AB is equal to how much? So clearly here it is a 6 meter, and the height of a man is equal to how much? That is equal to 2 meter. Right? So clearly this is the distance between the lamp post and the man, and clearly this distance I will represent this as a y. So y is it is the length of the shadow. So clearly from the diagram we will write this distance. So this distance is clearly x plus 1. Right? So here it is A, B, C, D, and here I will write this is equal to E. Right? So this is the diagram. So find the rate at which the length of its shadow is increases. So this is the shadow, right? So this is the shadow means y represents the length of the shadow. So clearly from the problem we will write dy by dt is equal to question, right? And a man of height 2 meter walks at a uniform speed of 5 kilometer per away from the lamp post. So clearly this is the distance between the lamp post and the man. So clearly this is a dx by dt. So clearly the man is moving away from the lamp post means, so lamp post at the rate of 5 kilometer per hour. The man is moving away from the lamp post at the rate of or at the speed of 5 kilometer per hour means. So this is the x means clearly. So what they have given? So dx by dt they have given. The value of dx by dt is equal to how much? Dx by dt is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. So clearly they have given dx by dt. So by using all this we have to find dy by dt. So dy by dt what it represents? So it represents what is the increase in the shadow of the man, right? So clearly from from this diagram we will write. So there are the two triangles, triangle ABE and one more triangle CDE, right? Triangle CDE are similar. So these are the similar triangles. So we know that in a similar triangle, their sides are always proportional to each other. It means that AB upon CD is same as BE upon BD, right? So from the diagram, or here I am write from figure. So from figure what we will write? So there are the two triangles ABE and CDE are the similar triangle. So in a similar triangles, their sides are always proportional to each other. So therefore, from the diagram we will write AB, right? So this AB divided by what? CD. AB divided by CD. That is equal to how much? BE divided by D, right? BE divided by D. Is it right? Now we have to substitute the values. What is the value of AB? AB is equal to 6, right? What is the value of CD? Right? So CD is equal to how much? 2, right? What is the value of B? So clearly from the diagram B, this is the value of B, right? So this length is x plus 1. Is it right? This is equal to x plus 1. What is the value of D? The value of D is equal to what? 1, right? So clearly here it is 2 ones are 2 3s are. So clearly here you are getting 3. 3 is equal to what? X plus 1 divided by, right? Now we have to cross multiply this one. 3y is equal to x plus 1. Is it right? Now we have to take this y to this side. So clearly what we are getting? 3y minus y is equal to what? X. Or 3y minus y means here it is a 2y. So 2y is equal to what? X. So here clearly here we are getting this function. Now to get dy by dt, so already what they are given dx by dt, that is equal to 5 km per hour. Now by using this one we have to find dy by dt. So therefore differentiate this one, or here I will write. So here 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to x. Differentiating with respect to what? Time. So clearly 2 into dy by dt is equal to what? Differentiation of x with respect to time means. So clearly here it is a dx by dt. So 2 into dy by dt as it is. So actually we have to find this one. What is the value of dx by dt? So clearly dx by dt is equal to 5, right? So therefore just you have to take this to this side. So clearly here you are getting a dy by dt. So dy by dt is equal to 5 by 2 kilometer per hour. It means that what it shows, dy by dt, it always shows that the length of the, or the rate of change of length of the shadow, right? So suppose if the man, if he want to move away from the lamp post, due to moving here, the shadow of the man is also increasing at the rate of 5 by 2 kilometer per hour, right? This is the question. Now we have to solve one more problem, right? Fourth one, a sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 cubic centimeter per second. Is it right? The falling sand forms a cone on the ground. Cone on the ground. Right? In such a way that in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. Is it right? How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing. Here it is, increasing, right? Increasing when the height is 4 cm. Right? So this is the question. Right? So before solving this one, here we should read the question carefully. Right? So here, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 cubic centimeter per second. So this is the question related to cone. So just you should imagine, suppose if here it is a pipe. So from this point they are pouring a sand. So this sand always forms a cone. This always forms a cone on the ground. So clearly, due to pouring the sand by the pipe, there is an increase in the value of the sand. So clearly, by pouring the sand by this pipe, there is an increase in the value of this cone. So clearly, what it represents? So this is the height of the cone, and clearly it is the radius of the base. Right? So due to pouring sand from this pipe, there is an increase in the value of this cone. So clearly, a sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 cubic centimeter per second. It means that there is an increasing in the value of this cone. Right? So what they have given, that is equal to 12 cubic centimeter per second. Right? Next, the falling sand forms a cone. So the falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6. So what is the height? So this is the height. So this height of the cone is always 1/6 of what they given, 1/6 of the radius of the base. So this is the radius of the base of the cone. The height of the cone is always equal to 1/6 of radius of its base. So clearly, by sending this 6 to this side, so clearly what you are getting, 6h is equal to r. Otherwise I will write the value of r is equal to how much? 6 times h. Right. Next, how fast is the height of the sand cone is increasing? Height of the sand cone is increasing means clearly what you have to find, dh by dt is equal to question mark when the height is 4 centimeter. Clearly, at any instant the height of the cone that is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Right? By using all these, here we should find dh by dt. So before that, before finding this one, what is the value of the cone? Value of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Right? So here v is equal to, right, 1/3 pi into, here what is the value of r? R is equal to 6h. Now I will substitute is equal to 6h whole square into h. Right? Now I will simplify this one. V is equal to 1 divided by 3 into pi. So clearly here it is a 6 square into h square. So clearly 6 square is nothing but 36 into h square into h. So clearly here it is a 3 ones are 3 terms. Right? So what is the value? Value is equal to how much? Here it is 12 pi into h square into h, means here it is a h cube. Is it right? So clearly this is V is equal to 12 pi into h cube. Now what is the value? So clearly the value is equal to how much? 12 pi into h cube. Is it right? Now I will differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to what? T. Right? So because what they are given here? dv by dt they are given. dv by dt is equal to rate of change of value of the code with respect to time. Suppose if you want to differentiate that, v is equal to 12 pi into h cube, you are getting dh by dt. Right? So therefore clearly here it is a dv by dt is equal to how much? 12 pi into differentiation of h cube is 3h square. Again a differentiation of h with respect to t, clearly here it is a dh divided by dt. Is it right? But already they have given dv by dt. What is the value of dv by dt? dv by dt is equal to 12. So therefore clearly 12 is equal to how much? 12 pi, right, into 3h square into dh by dt. So clearly this 12 and this 12 will get cancelled. So clearly 1 is equal to here 3 pi into h square into what? dh by dt. Or here clearly they have given the height. What is the value of height? Height is equal to 4 cm. Just I will substitute the value of h. So here it is 3 pi into 4 square. Right? So into 4 square into what? dh divided by dt. So 1 into 3 pi, 4 square means here it is a 16 into what? dh by dt. Or 1 is equal to 3 into 16 means clearly here it is a 48 pi into what? dh by dt. Just you have to send this 48 into pi to this side. So clearly what you are getting, that is equal to 1 divided by 48 pi is equal to dh by dt. Or otherwise I will write like this: dh by dt is equal to 1 divided by 48 pi, and here it is a height. So height is in centimeter. So clearly rate of change of height with respect to time, that is equal to 1 divided by 48 pi centimeter per second. Is it right? So this gives the rate of change of height of the cone with respect to time. So up to this exercise is completed. So in the next class we have to study next application. Okay, thank you.